Hello and welcome to the kitchen table of Fusta 2005. Today we are going to be unboxing the brand new Apple Watch 4. This particular one is the 44mm stainless steel in space black. And I chose this one because I already had a space black stainless steel first generation Apple Watch. I am currently in the process of unpairing it. Hopefully by the time we get done unboxing we can do some comparisons. But this is the Apple Watch 4. I got it on Black Friday. I had a couple of gift cards. They didn't really have any good deals. I was hoping that they would, but I ended up using a couple of my gift cards from Best Buy and getting it shipped here. So here we go. Unlike the first generation stainless steel series, this box is different. They're all the same. They all have the same long box. Previously, they were using the big square box. I have it packed away somewhere, otherwise I'd show you the difference, but many of you already know what it looks like. But they do have some nifty new packaging now, which you just pull off. You don't have to use a knife, which is nice. Then we got some tabs here at the bottom. A lot of you have seen a lot of the reviews already. Just kind of pull these off and it kind of folds open here. And like they said, they've updated the packaging and it looks cool, and now they have the watch itself. We almost unboxed it. And then I got the sport band, the black sport band, which is what I had on my other one. I did actually, which I'm gonna continue using. I have a Velcro band. I like the Velcro because it fits on my wrist better and it's not too tight or too loose. But I did have the black sports band previously. I'm not sure we're gonna even unbox that because I'm not gonna use it. It's the same as the other sport bands. But here's the moment of truth for the stainless steel Apple Watch 4. So we do have the Apple Watch itself in a package, in a little sleeve, which is something new. Unfortunately, the hold on a second. Try to get this out without flinging it across the room. So there it is. Brand new Apple Watch. So there's that one, and then there is mine, which is on. They're pretty much exactly the same size. The screen is just gonna be different. So, I mean, that's pretty much the unboxing part. They do have a little bit of manual information, how to get started. Pretty simple stuff. They do have the cord again. Looks like it is USB-A, not the USB-C version. They do have a USB-C version of the Apple Watch cord, and of course the standard Apple power block. I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, and we'll go ahead and do a follow-up video in about a week to see, the difference, and I'll probably still have this one to compare compare it to. Let's see if we can turn it on at least. We can see the size of the screen. This one in particular takes a long time to start up. I think it took like 5 minutes to start up. It was on the Apple logo. This one is supposed to be significantly faster. We will see about that. It's thinking. And there you go. It's doing the same animations as that one. It is using more of the space. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get this set up, and then we'll do a follow-up video in about a week. But definitely stay tuned to this channel, because I do have at least a few more products to review that have not been delivered yet from Black Friday shopping. So stay tuned for that, and we'll see you next time.